Here's the pound dollar 4-hour time frame. As we can see here, the price did break that aggressive uptrend line that we had. Next is we're going to see as the dollar is looking for near-term weakness and move back up to approximately 1.3430, and that'll coincide with roughly that 50-period moving average. So if we drop down to the hourly time frame, we can see here that that move is going to be around that 200 here, and you can see that we do have that death cross on the hourly as well. So there is upside resistance here. Not out of the question for us to see an extension back up to here. The pound has been quite strong recently, and this secondary support line here has continued to act as a very nice area to buy the dip. But I think that now we are running on our last legs on this move, and now we should be looking for our downside targets. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and just jump into it, shall we? Let's start with this level here. That's looking like that's the relative support in that area there. Okay. From the lows to the highs, we came back to the 38.2, back up to the 23.6, which is again 1.3430, confirming a potential top line resistance here. Not out of the question to see an extension, as this has been a very strong mover. They could be just trying to shake the tree out, and then we'll see that move back lower. From there, then we'll be looking for a move potentially to that 61.8 level again, assuming that the US dollar gets its legs back when it hits its 38.2, which is going to be pretty much around 1.3430 on the pound, I believe, maybe even a little bit higher. Let's see what happens here as far as that's all concerned, because the pound has been quite strong. So the exact science on where the pound dollar is going to be is a little bit trickier. That's why I said give her a little bit of room, maybe even 1.344 or so. Not out of the question to see another test of this trend line. But overall, with the fib lining up here, there will be a lot of resistance coming in at 1.3430. And of course, we break to the downside off this support line. Then we'll be looking for a test of that 200 period moving average, or 1.3250, let's call it, and then a bounce back up from there, in my opinion, and then we'll have to see what happens. But we all know the rule: once we close below the 50 period moving average, then we're looking at the next level, which is the 200. Big disconnect here, opportunity to make some cash on that, and I'll be watching this one personally myself.